Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow View. So today I have a special gift for you. It's Black & Decker 45 liter toaster oven. So I have bought it from Carrefour, Rock Mall, and its capacity and size is 45 liter and it is 1800 watts and it is in black color. We can grill, toast, bake and boil. So other things I will tell you after unboxing it. So now we are going to unbox it. It has 2 layers of glass. This is the first layer, clear temperature glass. Now we have taken the oven from the box and now let's take out the unwanted things and unwanted wrapper, thermocol, etc. So now let's unwrap it.
Most awaited moment சொல்றேன்.
The most awaited moment. So now let's take the tape out.
History in the making.
So now we have to take all the tape out. Almost I took everything. So like this you also have to take. This is a best brand which I am recommending you. So now let's open and see.
Ooh. So these sticks make the chicken hot and other things. So now let's see. So we can make burgers. It is for 190 degrees Celsius. It takes 25 to 35 minutes and we can make cupcake, fish, bread, pizza and meat. So 180 degrees Celsius 25 to 30 minutes for cupcake and 230 degrees Celsius for fish. 8 to 15 minutes it takes, and for bread it takes 230 degrees Celsius 3 to 7 minutes. So this is the fastest thing. And for pizza it is 190 degrees Celsius 15 to 25 minutes, and for meat it's 210 degrees Celsius 20 to 25 minutes. Let us see about the control buttons. So for the temperature we have 90 degree, 140 degree, 180 degree and 230 degree. So whichever things you are making, you can select the degree and do. The next is selector. You can heat it up and down with fan, and you can only heat it with fan only down also, and up and down heating is also available. And this is grill option. It comes from up, the heat comes from up. And the last one is also the grill option. You will get the heat from down. So now we are going to unbox these things in the list.
So let's unbox.
So now let's unbox. We can do this.
So this stick and the putting inside thingy is used for chicken. For chicken you can put it in both the sides and fry it like in grill and all. It's really very useful. You can see we and it has a tightening option which I have shown in the video. It's really very useful.
So we have a thingy like this. So now so this is the pan I said you, and let's keep it again inside. There is a stick kind of thing in the side that have to catch the tray very well, then we can take the tray easily, like that only for down also, but we don't need the small stick. So now we have a thingy like this which is used for taking the
So this is the thing used for taking out the chicken outside. So this is really very helpful for us. When weight is there, we can take it really easily. So the weight is not there so that it is falling down. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you buy this oven too. So thank you. Bye.